Hi, this is Richard with another Tuesday tip for you. Here we are, lounge carpet, and it then comes in, just shows you here, just underneath this radiator pipe, we've got this green stain here. And what that's caused by is dirty water dripping from the radiator. They may have had the radiator changed, or I've done some work. We've just had a bit of a leak and we've got some sort of green marking. So it's basically dirty water. So what we're going to use is some rust remover. Just going to apply that to the stain. I'm just going to massage that in and then just work that into the stain. And it depends on the age of the stain how well we're going to remove it. As I say, what I'll say to customers, we'll always improve a stain, but the sooner we can get to a stain, the more chance we've got of actually dealing with it and getting a result for you. So I'm just going to put that in there and I'll let that work for a little while. You'll quite often see those kind of green marks as well. If you've got a Christmas tree at Christmas time and you've been watering it and the water's going through the soil, and if you've got like a brass bucket or something like that underneath it, it'll leave a ringing mark. Also, if you've got like a jardiniere, you've been watering your plants and the water's going through and it's marking the carpet, and it's dirty water which will cause that kind of effect. So if you've got plants or anything like that, you need to make sure you've got a base underneath it just to protect the carpet. As I say, if you call us sooner rather than later, we've got more chance of removing it for you. So I've just let that sort of dwell in there a little while, where I've been talking to you and waffling on. And what I'm going to do now is flush it through, and then let's see how we get on. Just going to put a little bit more on there now. We might have to repeat the process a couple of times, but I think already you can see how that green dirty mark is sort of starting to come out of the carpet there, and it's quite deep. As you can see, it's right deep into the back of the fibres of the carpet. So I've really massaged that in now. Going to give it a flush through. And there we go. That's pretty much gone now, if not virtually all gone. What I might do is just repeat the process, just do it a little bit more. I think you can see now that that mark's pretty much gone. And as I say, just under your radiators, that's what those green marks are. It's dirty water. So that's your Tuesday tip. Log on to our website or look at our website for more tips on www.sleephaven.co.uk for more useful tips, or just give us a call on 01327 342 594. Take care.